All right, Gary, let's go for a hot lap in this awesome 2007 BMW M6. You just can't keep your foot out of it, can you, dude?
No, heck no. I just drive this thing like I stole it.
It's got 500 horsepower, V10.
7-speed tranny.
Yep, it's got the paddle shifts. It's got like 5 different modes of performance. All you BMW guys already know all this stuff, but it's fun for us because we don't get these every day. Even though we had this one last time.
Yeah, that's right.
Sold it to the previous owner. They put maybe 20,000 miles on it. They buy a lot of cars from us. But they took good care of it. It's got the suede headliner, full black interior. It's got the carbon fiber goodies all over the place, factory carbon fiber. It's got the carbon fiber roof.
Got heads up that tells you how fast you're going, so you don't go, oh wow, I'm going 100.
Heads up display, that's really cool too. And it's got heated memory seats and all that good stuff, navigation.
iDrive stuff.
iDrive with the control thing, tells you everything. Stereo, items like that. Air blows ice cold. It's a fun car to drive. I mean, it's actually you kind of got to learn to drive it because it can hurt you. It's a fast one.
Oh yeah.
But you can drive it normal if you want to. It's pretty cool. And even when it downshifts, if you have in the sport mode, it blips. You know, the RPMs jump and it drops. It's pretty. It's fun when you're doing some spirited driving.
Oh yeah. No, this thing's fast, comfortable, quiet. You put the windows up. I mean, it is. Yeah, that's nice. It's like you got all the.
You got a cup holder too.
Yeah. Just in case. Just
in case you got a cup of coffee or something. All right. Go up here to our picture spot and get some shots of it for you.
All right, check out this performance luxury car. 2007 BMW M6. 500 horsepower. 7-speed, paddle shift tranny. I mean, you can have it automatic too. 19-inch wheels on there. Thing drives great, handles great, comfortable to drive. It's got all the stuff that you expect out of a Beamer. Pretty nice shape. A few things on it. Carbon fibers. A little worn on the back here for the spoiler. Got a little owie right there. Nothing much, just a little tiny bit of stuff. I mean, it is an 07. It's got 60-something thousand miles on it. But it drives great, runs well, shifts good. And I don't know, this is kind of a common problem here. You know, the rubber starts to go a little bit on the around the windshield. Doesn't leak or anything. But, you know, what a great car. I mean, it's like 120,000 bucks when it was new. And this thing drives fun. It's a lot of fun to drive. It really is. I'm going to show you the interior so you can get a look at that. Nice leather interior. Got your memory seats. Comfortable, set them up. Keep you in the seat when you're taking those corners. You got your tack and gauges there. And I don't know if it'll turn on. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. BMW. And it'll have, you know, this is your iDrive situation here. You know, where you have your little wheel right there and, you know, kind of select from your navigation, radio, communications, and whatever else they put in there. And they got, you know, stuff to adjust your power so you can shift at different RPMs, and, you know, it's got quite a bit of things in here to, you know, for performance and comfort. You got your little paddle shift there, carbon fiber over there, nice stereo. Back seat area, I never show you that. That looks really nice, comfortable. Yeah, it's a really neat car. You know, like I said, it's got all the features that you want for nice driving and spirited driving too. You know, V10, 500 horse. Yeah, you can't beat that. There we go. We're going to show you the engine next. All right, like most modern cars, can't see much. They got a lot of plastic on here, but you got a nice V10 overhead cam, 500 horse. Like I said, 7-speed tranny. There we go. Look at that, boy. And, you know, you can tell it's really nice shape. They serviced it. People that had it before took care of it. I guess they call the color black sapphire metallic, so pretty cool. So we're gonna start this up, let you take a listen. Oh yeah, sounds good. And we're gonna let you listen to the exhaust. Kind of sporty. Oh yeah. Fun times, man. M6, fun car. Lot of car for the money. We got this car here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley, 818-591-1313. I'm Gary, and Rich is over there in the car. He's ready to race. And but it's a fun car, and be glad to show it to you. And like I said, a lot of car for the money, that's for sure.